Where are those files at? The Lumberjack? Goodnight Moon? Who are these guys? Vinny, I'm gonna get you and everyone else that was in on this. Yeah, do you have any bandages? Got some water?
Oh, hi, friend. You're Brock Hunter from school, right? The jock? Why don't you come on in? I'll fix you up. So, how'd you end up on my doorstep?
Well, that's a long story. But I went after these guys for my own personal reasons. It didn't go so well.
Well, Brock, if there's any way I can help you, I'm totally here for you.
But why would you want to help me? I give you wedgies almost every day.
Well, I think we got some chemistry. And I think that maybe we could be buddies.
Well, thanks, but how can you help me?
Well, if you tell me a little more details, maybe I can help you out.
Well, yesterday, my dad died. I tried to go after the guys that got him, but I used the police records to track down the last known location. When I got there, I didn't stand a chance.
Oh, man. Well, I'm really sorry to hear that, Brock. I can help you out however you want. I mean, I'm pretty brawny, but aside from that, I make a lot of stuff, you know? From bombs to modded characters on World of Warcraft.
Bombs?
Oh yeah, you know, bombs. Like, I make big bombs, little bombs, atomic bombs. I'm just kidding. I've only mastered fission, not fusion yet.
Well, I've been trying to get revenge on these guys, and if you're willing to get your hands a little dirty, I think we can make a great team.
Boy, golly, would I? If it means I get to hang out with a football superstar like Brock Hunter, you can bet I'm in.
All right. But before we do anything, let's get some new clothes.
I also got the bombs, too.
All right, Melvin. We're going to get these guys. Before they even know who we are or what we came for.
Yeah, Brock. We'll get them when they least expect it.
Titus O'Reilly, a.k.a. Jailbird, known for being in jail a lot. Place on most wanted list, number 5. Nancy Sharps, weapon of choice, machete. Place on most wanted list, number 4.
I really hope there's not a bomb in my phone. It'd be really great if it didn't explode.
Hey, babe. Hello?
I really hope there's not a bomb in my phone.
Yeah, girl! Marty Amadeus Weinberg, known for constantly falling downstairs. Place on most wanted list, 34.
I crushed my matzo ball. It's a miracle. I can wash.
Obadiah Sampson, a.k.a. the Lumberjack. Place on most wanted list, number 2. Real name unknown. Birthplace, the Moon. Place on most wanted list, number 3. Vince Lorenzo, a.k.a. Vinny. Place on most wanted list, number 1. Born in Little Italy.
Tony, I told you, I need those shipments. The mob doesn't run itself, all right? Okay, I'll talk to you later.
Vinny, I finally found you. You have nowhere to go. This is where it ends.
Hey, Vinny, I got something for you. Now it's your turn, Hunter. How convenient. I'm out of bullets. Your father was a nobody. Just a pawn in a bigger game. You don't know my father!
I'm Brock Hunter. You killed my father. Prepare to die.
I'm alive. I'm alive. Take that, Brock Hunter. What?